Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a GIF to Discord. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, for example, you're in a chat or on a server, you can just basically click on the plus sign and then upload a file. Go ahead and find the specific GIF, click on it, and to open it. And by the way, when you go ahead and right click on the file, click on properties, make sure that the type of the file is a GIF. If it's JPEG, PNG, or any other stuff, it won't play. All right. So click on it, click on open. Now go ahead and send it. Hit on enter. Wait a bit, and you should be fine. Okay. Another option, you can just easily drag and drop, send. You're good to go. Now you can go ahead and also use the built-in GIF picker from Discord. All right. So for example, subscribe. I have a ton of options right here. Just click on it and it will automatically send. That's how easy it is to upload a GIF to Discord. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.